What's up, everybody? I hope this video finds you well. As promised, I'm opening some more Stars and Stripes. As the price calms down on this, it'll probably drop, settle. Well, it depends on how good these rookies do, but if it's like 18 and 17, it'll probably settle around the $50 mark. So I'm going to kind of wait for that and see if that happens before I open too much of it. But I've only opened 2 boxes so far, and I got this one for a pretty good price on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and open some more. 8 cards, 5 packs. You're gonna get, I'm trying to remember, it's like last year you can get bonus hits, like extra hits. I think in one of my boxes I got like 7 hits instead of, you're supposed to have 5, but I think in one of my boxes I got 7, so that was pretty cool. No guarantee that it'll happen, so don't quote me on it, but it could. We're gonna eat really thick packs. I'll look about average. Out of 18, you've seen me open a ton of that, and I've pulled some crazy buttons and incredible patches and one-on-one stuff out of that. Alright, Travis Swaggerty, Corbin Carroll, Riley Green. So I meant to mention that there's different versions of some of these players. I don't know if it means that one of these is short printed or if there's just variations that are equal. I'm not sure. I have to look it up and see. Langolier, Spikes. This is John Doxakis. I have a hard time saying that. It's a $2.99 auto jersey. And then we have one parallel card, which is Bryson Stott, longevity parallel. Drew Romo, Dominic Fletcher, Charlie Salm, Andre Palante, Brady House, Graham Stinson, a Kenyon Yovan. That's an on-card auto to $4.99. So that's 2 hits. Actually, let me hold these out so I can see if I do get any extras. So that is 2. Oh, and the last card was the longevity parallel, Rigo McIntosh. Alright, pack 3. Drew Parrish, Nico Horner, Zach Watson, Anthony Sigler, Sammy Faltine, Josh Jung, Tanner Burns is the next hit. That's another on-card auto to $4.99. And then our parallel is Bryson Stott. So far, just 1 hit per pack. Last 2 packs. This is pack 4. And we have Ryan Clifford, Zach Thompson, Ryan Weathers, Tyree Reed, Matthew Liberatore, this is one of the hollow parallels to 99, Max Meyer. These look really good. Then we have a Dylan Cruz. This is a sticker auto to $3.99, but I think he's a good one, I think, if I remember correctly. And then Riley Green, longevity parallel. Last pack. Feels like this is going to be another jersey card. Hopefully, maybe we'll get lucky. It'll be a patch. Tyler Callanan, I guess. Steele Walker. Pete Crow Armstrong. Zach Thompson. Bobby Witt. A team checklist. Langoliers is the last parallel, and yep, this is number 2, Corbin Carroll, number 284. So just the right number of hits this time, which is okay. I'm not always going to come out with extras, but it's kind of cool to know that it's possible anyway. So I'm not sure about all these players. I think Dylan Cruz is the name I recognize, which is usually a good thing. I don't know about Tanner Burns or Duxakis. I can't say it. Kenyon Yovan, I don't know him at all. So that's it. Another box of 18 Stars and Stripes baseball. Everybody take care. I'll be back with my next break soon.